pictures are more powerful than 1,000 words.
Once you've seen an image of something, you cannot unsee it.
When we looked at the people, these transformers, right, we realized that they were here not just to create best practices, but to create next practices. Because they wanted to create the future, they wanted to transform people's lives and make it better, right? These are not people who are here just to make things. They are not willing to settle for good enough. They want to become a future creator.
When the conference started, we started noting down whatever they used to say, and we decided to illustrate them. As an artist, this was really a nice opportunity for me to explore my own limitations and everything.
What you have created and conceptualized, if you put an image to it, you will realize how it comes alive.
Many times we keep asking, what's the big idea? What's the big difference? Many times the differences are very small. Your conviction has to be far, far bigger than the difference you are trying to make. And in the end it proves, in the end it will be the biggest difference that you would have made for humanity.
The kind of energy that I saw amongst the participants was absolutely amazing.
Lots of brainstorming sessions happened.
The purpose and positioning work that they had done has to now come out and flower. And I could see that energy in their eyes when they were told that now they have to come up with an idea for their own products.
This entire brand insight session was structured so well.
It has kind of lifted a block off, and now I'm able to see something.
Coming here, I always thought that a B2B business does not need a lot of branding, especially in my sector. But now I've understood that the branding is actually an important lever used to scale up my business. A very important myth that I had about branding, that you really need a lot of money, is actually busted here again.